Hey carpet cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to run you through my top 10 tips for leveraging YouTube Shorts to grow your carpet cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one thing and one thing only, getting guys like you booked out with jobs using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many of you guys not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Top 10 ways to promote your floor cleaning business using YouTube Shorts. So why are YouTube Shorts so great? So I've been using YouTube Shorts to promote AGB for a while now, and the amount of reach that you get, the amount of people that you get that your shorts get in front of is huge. I mean, it's way more than the long form content, and we're actually seeing really amazing results from YouTube Shorts. And in general, in the digital social media space, across all the different social media platforms, it's that short form content which seems to be crushing it right now. So TikTok, short videos, reels on Facebook and Instagram, that short form content, that's what's performing best right now. And on YouTube, again, it's that short form content, YouTube Shorts, they're absolutely crushing it. And I think the reason for that is because, it's very quick and easy for people to consume. It's bite-sized pieces of information that's very fast and very easy for people to digest. YouTube Shorts are also a great way to engage and connect with a new audience on the platform by using your smartphone and the power of the Shorts camera in the YouTube app. So like a lot of these platforms, they've got like a special app that you can use inside your phone to record the content. So you can really make great content really quick and easy. Typically the videos are 60 seconds long, and because it is that short form content like I've just mentioned, it really allows you to grab your audience's attention much more quickly and much more easily. It's available worldwide. Any content creator can use Shorts for its aggressive organic reach and skyrocket your YouTube channel engagement. YouTube Shorts also provides the creators with its audio library to add an audio clip, a song, personal, non-commercial and entertainment purposes only. So ultimately, you can add basically music, soundtracks just to kind of make it even more engaging. With YouTube Shorts, marketing's super easy and you can pretty much share anything you want and really drive engagement for your carpet cleaning business or your floor cleaning business. These are my top 10 tips, by the way. So number one, make your titles count. The titles of your YouTube Shorts are another vital aspect to keep in mind if you want to catch the viewer's attention. Just like a thumbnail, you need to work on the title of your YouTube Shorts. The title should be catchy and engaging. At the same time, the title should make the viewer aware of what content you'll provide with your short video. Is it a new floor cleaning tip or is it a new special offer that you're running? Don't get the viewers guessing with misleading titles. You'll only lose the trust of the viewer, which will result in a loss of future engagement. Number two, determine the length. The recommended duration of the shorts is up to 60 seconds, but you need to understand that it's not compulsory to use the entire minute duration. Your focus should be on delivering your message as concisely as possible and valuing your viewers' time. You need to ask two questions while setting up the length of your YouTube Shorts. How much time do you need to make your point in the video? Number one. And number two, is there any part of the content you can eliminate or cut to minimize the viewing time and maximize the effect? Once you answer these questions, you'll automatically tailor your content in the most compact form, thus increasing the effectiveness of your content. Number three, make valuable shorts. You don't want to just post random content with your shorts. It needs to be precise, short, and more importantly, you need to offer some value. If the viewer doesn't find your shorts valuable, chances are they won't engage with your channel further, and it will be highly unlikely they would want to book your services. Therefore, you should always aim to create YouTube Shorts on topics relevant to your niche and the content of your post on YouTube. You can also use Shorts to introduce your new products or services, share some new stain removal technique, and create excitement for your viewers. Also, often sharing some local community news, making a short in support of a local charity or event can attract lots of likes and engagement too. Number four, use YouTube Stories. The difference between YouTube Shorts and YouTube Stories is that YouTube Shorts are a brief video format that can be seen over an assortment of media like cell phones, on your PC, on your Mac, on your tablet, etc. YouTube stories, however, are video drafts that are restricted to mobile phones and cannot be posted or read from different media. But you can use YouTube stories to promote your YouTube shorts. Create engaging stories for your audience with the highlights of your best shorts. The user will be aware of your work and will be more likely to watch your content. You will even triple or quadruple your chances of gaining new YouTube subscribers and engagement rates when you use the YouTube stories feature. Number 5, make intent more important than content. To build a successful floor cleaning brand, you should always remember that you need to be unique, be yourself, and always aim to attract customers and subscribers. What I mean is that show intent rather than just creating content. When making shorts of your brand, you need to keep in mind that you have 60 seconds maximum to convert your viewers into subscribers. To do this, you must create content that offers valuable information, knowledge, and most importantly, a solution. You can create shorts on YouTube Shorts on any announcement, topic, offer, etc. that you want to market. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our specialist program, head down to the description below where you'll find all the necessary information and links to book a call. Cheers.